Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. You don't have to worry about wiring your outside lights thanks to these great lights from Mokot. These lights are an automatic light that will come on anytime you need them. They are a 4-paneled light that works entirely by solar. So during the day it powers it up, and then at night you get that bright white sensor light that comes with it. They literally work every day, and it's such a nice, safe feeling to be able to go behind the house and to have these lights come on whenever you need them. We also really like them because of that solar feature. So the solar panel, you can easily adjust it so that it faces the sun and really gets all of the energy that it needs. And then like clockwork, every day the lights come on. Each of the 4 panels on the lights is a bright white LED lighting that has a sensor in the middle piece, and that sensor works perfectly so that the lights will come on. They were very easy to install, and all of the hardware was included in the kit. Even better, they have an optional remote control that you can use if you want to adjust the settings or put these on manually, but we really like the automatic function the most. Another thing that we really like about these lights is that they're not so sensitive that they're affected by the wind or by a small animal, but rather they really work when there's people around and when you need that light the most. But that's my point of view.